Alright guys, this is going to be our first test in the garage. As you can see, I do have the garage door closed. It has been closed for the good majority of the day here. It is currently June 8th at 3:35 in the afternoon, so pretty hot time of the day. It is sunny out there today, so you know, a pretty normal day. It's not crazy hot out for this time of year, and it's not, you know, a overcast kind of day. So I figured this would be a good day to come out here. It is a few days before I do get the air conditioner from New Air. I just figured this would be a good test day to give our Eastwood gun a shot. I'm going to be using an Eastwood part number 31223. It is a non-contact infrared thermometer, and I figured this will give us a good idea of what temperature it is in here. So we're going to do a couple readings. One, we're going to do right against the garage door, 116 degrees. I'll do the wall, against the wall closest to the house where it's AC, 96 degrees, 96.1. And it looks like it's just going to go between 96.1 and 96.3. So, yep, and there it locked out at 96.3. Do a couple more areas here. I'll do against the door. This is where the closest AC is. It should give us our coolest temperature. 93 degrees. You guys get the idea. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump about a week from now when I do get the new air conditioner. I'm gonna leave that running. I'll actually go into another part of this video where I show you again with a thermometer the day of that I do the test, and I'm gonna show you guys how good this AC works. If it works, I'm gonna put it to the test. You guys are going to be seeing at the same time I do the results. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, leave a like down below, and we'll see you here in a minute. What is going on, guys? I hope y'all are having a great day. Today, we are going to get something done in the garage that I've been looking forward to since I moved in. You guys know how much work we do here in the garage, whether it's on the CANAMs or the trucks. We're always in the garage. And it's June, I think it's what, June 13th today. There you go, 1/13. So it is kind of midday right now. What we're gonna be doing today is unboxing and testing out a new air AC conditioner for the garage. We have a lot of projects that we're gonna get to. CANAM, we have a huge project we're doing this weekend with the CANAM in the garage. So this is gonna help us a ton. Having AC in the garage is gonna be very, very good. It's a lot easier to work on things when you're not sweating and it's not just miserable. So you can take your time, you can actually get projects done a lot more efficiently. That way when you're not stressing because it's so freaking hot out. Now, a lot of you guys are probably like, oh man, suck it up, man. I work in the heat all day. I don't want to come home work on my truck in the heat. So call it whatever you want, but an AC for the garage is freaking awesome. So now what we're gonna be doing is, like I mentioned a second ago, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, set you guys up on a tripod, unbox it, go ahead and put it up. This is gonna be freaking, somebody's pulling into my house. Who is this? I don't know who this is pulling in my house, but let me go check real quick. Alrighty guys, sorry about that. That was a termite inspector. We have to do that annually. Everything checked out with the house. It's been about 30 minutes or so, so it's only gotten hotter in here. It's about 1:45 or so right now. So it is heating up, and I'm trying not to open the garage door, not to open the door, and just kind of keep all the heat in here to see how good this thing will work. So, by the way, link is in description below for this unit right here. Using that link, you'll get 20% off using code PARO. So I'll have that link down below where you guys can check it out and save some money on this thing. This thing is gonna be really good. So right now, I'm gonna work on unboxing this. I'm gonna speed up the process so you guys don't have to see it. Once I get it all unboxed and set up, I'll catch back up with you then. Guys, so kind of a break in time from that last unboxing. We had some things to figure out with the new air conditioner, where we were gonna vent the hot air, but I did want to give you guys a kind of a review. My first full day, it's dark outside now, my first full day of using this thing with the garage door cracked because we have the vent going out the back right here, but oh my God, this thing is amazing. The freaking cold air has been blowing out, has saved us today working on the CANAM. We've been in here all day working on this CANAM, putting the snorkel kits on it, And this is exactly what I've been looking for since I bought this house. A nice AC for the garage. Now, this is not, you're probably thinking, why in the world is scrap the garage? Yes, this temporarily will do. It's definitely 100% doable. I could probably even use this long term in this manner. But will I do it? Absolutely not. My wife and her dad went up to Home Depot today and grabbed us this piece, which we are going to probably hire somebody to install on the side of the house because I don't want to mess anything up. And I'm not that good of a handyman when it comes to working around the house, and I don't want to drill through something I'm not supposed to drill through. But we are going to get a slot drilled in the side of the house for the exhaust, and we're going to put the AC permanently over there by the water heater. But this piece right here is going to make it to where there is not going to be any like bugs or rats or anything get into the house, because this goes like that, and then there's a cover for it right here. Bam, this cover plate goes on it, and also it has a mesh grill as well, so that no, like I said, bugs or insects can get inside. So my 1-day review on the New Air, like I said, has been out here all day, kicking ass, man. Couldn't recommend it more. Link will be down in the description below. Using code ParoDoXz, or Paro, excuse me, will get you 20% off using that code. So I definitely suggest you guys check it out. Couldn't recommend this air conditioner more. It's exactly what I needed. I'm not even sweating. I haven't sweated all day, and that is amazing in Alabama. It's been humid, it's been hot, just like Southern Alabama is every single day in June, July, August timeframe. So definitely check them out. And it has this remote. My daughter's been playing with it all day, so I don't know if she ended up taking it inside. She probably took it inside. There it is, bam, right there. So here's the remote it comes with. You can turn it on or off, the speed of it, up or down, temperature, timer. You can set a timer for it if I can get it to focus. Put it in sleep mode. You put it in whichever mode you want to, and it does have heater options as well, which is pretty cool. I was reading the instructions, comes with very good instructions. I think my wife brought it out here earlier because she was messing with it. So we have part number, of course. I think I showed you guys that already, may not have. Here's the owner's manual, and I just went step by step. Table of contents here, everything it comes with, their warranty with it. And very, very good unit, definitely for the price. But that is going to be it for the New Air review. I know it was kind of all over the place. I know we kind of jumped another day, but I really wanted to test this thing out. Like I said, we went from unboxing it to kind of figuring out what we were going to do as far as mounting it permanently, because I didn't know that it had to have an exhaust port out the back. I didn't know it was that in depth, but for the most part, the only maintenance you really have to do is on the side of it here. It just plugs into a regular outlet, by the way. But on the side here, you just press this button in, this door pops open, you just fill this tub up with water, and on the bottom of it has a drain. It'll self-drain itself. But good Lord, the air this thing blows out is ridiculous. It has a little door where it can change directions. You can obviously go up or down with the blades. Point it right at you as you're working. So that is going to be it for this video. My camera is doing something crazy. I don't know what it's doing right now, but I think I fixed it. So man, it's been a long day. We got the CANAM done. Hope you guys checked out that video and enjoyed it. But like I said, got to hire a handyman. I will definitely 100% stick around. I will definitely be showing this AC once it's permanently mounted in the corner. This video is more like a review. Hey, is it working? Is it doing really good? It's going to be even better once I can close the garage door the entire way and it's not having to work overtime. But I definitely recommend it. Link in the description down below. Make sure you guys check that out. And I appreciate you guys staying to the end of this video. Smash that like button if you enjoyed it. If you maybe you're going to check out this New Air product, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. The guys over at New Air said they would be answering questions if you guys had any. So make sure you're commenting any questions you have down below, or checking out their support team, which will be information down in the description for that. So thank you guys for staying to the end. I appreciate it. Leave a like down below, and we'll see you in the next one.